Good afternoon, everybody. I'm so blessed to be here, and happy family.
And Revelation 3:20, Jesus said, "Here I am. I stand at the door and knock. If anyone hears my voice and opens the door, I will come in and eat with the person, and they with me." Amen. You may be feeling empty. You may think you are alone. You may be lost and drifting, but there is someone who really cares. Someone is knocking at the door. Someone is ringing the bell. Would you please answer the call and let him come in? Jesus is knocking at the door. Jesus is ringing the bell. Would you please answer the call and let Jesus in? You may be tired and lonely. You may think you are an outcast. You may be searching for an answer, but there is someone who really cares. Someone is knocking at the door. Someone is ringing the bell. Would you please answer the call and let him come in? Jesus is knocking at the door. Jesus is ringing the bell. Would you please answer the call and let Jesus in?
In John 14:6, Jesus said, "I am the way and the truth and the life. No one comes to the Father except through me." Amen.
Isaiah 55:6. Seek the Lord while he may be found. Call on him while he is near.
Amen.
Someone is knocking at the door. Someone is ringing the bell. Would you please answer the call and let him come in? Jesus is knocking at the door. Jesus is ringing the bell. Would you please answer the call and let Jesus in? Would you please answer the call and let Jesus in?
Amen.
Amen. That's God is giving you a chance. If you haven't let Him in yet, open your heart. As the verse Revelation 3:20